Alright guys, we are here at the North Georgia Mountain Trail Festival. Lots of awesome vendors here. Check these guys out here. This is Wild Heart Teardrop Rentals. Look at these. Very awesome. That one's got the roof nest tent. It's a windy day though. Alright guys, check this out. This thing is awesome. BoondockingBuddies.com. This is so cool. Look at this interior. Not quite big enough for us, but this thing is awesome.
Perfect. It's like that smash day. And you don't have to go fast, do you? Sometimes in the woods roll.
It's not the number of strikes, it's the pressure, patience.
Yes, they call this stuff here.
Oh, there we go. You got it.
Yeah, see that char cloth?
You got it, girl.
I just saw a flame to me.
Yeah, it is.
There you go.
From the sun.
Yep. I think it's on. There you go.
Oh,
I think the cloth's on fire.
Yeah, the closet.
See? You got it, baby. Just lit.
Yeah,
You
that
see
char
it?
cloth does the trick. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go on the website right now. It's just kind of... You guys are doing good.
After we left the Georgia Mountain Trail Fest, we headed up to the Cohutta Wilderness to do some trail riding and hiking. When we pulled up to this overlook, we met this gentleman here. He was out doing the Trans-American Trail. The Trans-American Trail is definitely on our list. The trail is over 4,000 miles and travels all the way across the United States. It consists of some pavement and some dirt roads. Definitely something we are looking into doing. After we left that beautiful overlook, we decided to go ahead and start searching for somewhere to camp for the night and let the kids just play in the woods. We struck out quite a bit, but we finally found an amazing, secluded campsite. The campsite that we were hoping to have was very crowded. have to air down on this, but we do. It's just such a more comfortable ride. It's soft. It's like you're floating. We dropped down to about 18 psi on this trip. Nothing dramatic. Just gravel roads, as you can see right there. It's forest roads for days here. All right, we are now in North Carolina. We're heading out of the Cohutta Wilderness. We're now in the Cherokee National Forest. So we're gonna air up, head on out of here. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. We're heading to lunch. We're heading home. Got school and work tomorrow. All right, guys.